I am waiting. You. 5 seconds to answer. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. I have been waiting. 2 hours. 5 seconds to answer. I have been waiting since 2 hours. I have been waiting since 2 hours. She has lived in London. 2019. 5 seconds to answer. She has lived in London since 2019. We haven't seen them. Last Christmas. 5 seconds to answer. We haven't seen them since last Christmas. We haven't seen them since last Christmas. The construction project has been delayed. Several months. 5 seconds to answer. The construction project has been delayed for several months. The construction project has been delayed for several months. They have been friends. Childhood. 5 seconds to answer. They have been friends since childhood. They have been friends since childhood. My car has been in the garage. Tuesday morning. 5 seconds to answer. My car has been in the garage since Tuesday morning. My car has been in the garage since Tuesday morning. He has worked at the bank. Over 10 years. 5 seconds to answer. He has worked at the bank for over 10 years. He has worked at the bank for over 10 years. I haven't eaten anything. Breakfast. 5 seconds to answer. I haven't eaten anything for breakfast. I haven't eaten anything for breakfast. The company has been open the 1990s. 5 seconds to answer. The company has been open since the 1990s. The company has been open since the 1990s. She's been practicing the piano 3 months. 5 seconds to answer. She's been practicing the piano for 3 months. She's been practicing the piano for 3 months. They have been married. A long time. 5 seconds to answer. They have been married for a long time. They have been married for a long time. I haven't watched television. Ages. 5 seconds to answer. I haven't watched television for ages. I haven't watched television for ages. He has been studying non-stop. 6 o'clock this morning. 5 seconds to answer. He has been studying non-stop since 6 o'clock this morning. He has been studying non-stop since 6 o'clock this morning. The house has been empty. Years. 5 seconds to answer. The house has been empty for years. The house has been empty for years. I've only known her a few weeks. 5 seconds to answer. I've only known her for a few weeks. I've only known her for a few weeks. We haven't had a proper holiday. We got married. 5 seconds to answer. We haven't had a proper holiday since we got married. We haven't had a proper holiday since we got married. It has been raining continuously the past 2 days. 5 seconds to answer. It has been raining continuously for the past 2 days. It has been raining continuously for the past 2 days. They've been traveling around Asia. They graduated. 5 seconds to answer. They've been traveling around Asia since they graduated. They've been traveling around Asia since they graduated. She has lived here. 2015. 5 seconds to answer. She has lived here since 2015. I've known him. A long time ago. 5 seconds to answer. I've known him for a long time ago. I've known him for a long time ago. We have been waiting. 2 hours. 5 seconds to answer. We have been waiting since 2 hours. We have been waiting since 2 hours. He has been sick. Last week. 5 seconds to answer. He has been sick since last week. He has been sick since last week. We haven't seen each other. Ages. 5 seconds to answer. We haven't seen each other for ages. We haven't seen each other for ages. I've worked in this company 1 year. 5 seconds to answer. I've worked in this company for 1 year. I've worked in this company for 1 year. She hasn't eaten. Yesterday. 5 seconds to answer. She hasn't eaten since yesterday. She hasn't eaten since yesterday. They have been friends. Last year. 5 seconds to answer. They have been friends since last year. They have been friends since last year. I've been studying Spanish. 3 years. 5 seconds to answer. I've been studying Spanish for 3 years. I've been studying Spanish for 3 years. It's been raining here. Morning. 5 seconds to answer. It's been raining here since morning. It's been raining here since morning.